Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It should be here. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a continuous bias. All right, if you have a big project and you need a bias for that project, then you need a continuous bias, like you need a very long bias. And in this video I'm going to show you the easiest way you can make a very long bias you can use for your project. So the measurement of this fabric is 17 inches by 17 inches. I'm going to slash this fabric diagonally this way. So I'm going to take one piece and place over the other piece this way, and I'll go over to my machine and stitch this on a 1/2 inch mark. So this is what we have. I'm going to use my pressing iron and give this a nice press. So what I'm going to be measuring depends on the bias maker I'm using. So this is size 12 bias maker, so I'm going to be measuring 1 inch. So what you're going to be measuring depends on the size of the bias maker you will be using. So I'll keep marking 1 inch until this fabric is exhausted. I'm going to do this off camera. So I've gone ahead to mark, and I'm going to show you what next to do. I'm going to fold this way. And I'll also fold this other one like this. Looking at this, you're going to see that the lines are matched up with each other, but I'm not going to leave it this way. This is the first line on this side, and this is the first line on this other side. So I'm going to make the second line to match with the first line. So I'm going to shift this fabric just a little bit. So this is how it should be. So the second line on this side should match with the first line on this other side. I hope this makes sense to you. This is the only way you can have a continuous bias, but if you don't do it this way, you're not going to get it right. I'm going to use my pin to hold this in place. Then I'm going to go over to the machine and run a straight stitch on this line. So guys, this is what we have. I'm going to use my pressing iron to give this a very nice press. I'm going to start cutting from here. Okay, just make sure you cut on the line. Just follow the line as you go. It is going to lead you to the next line until you're done cutting. So once you're done cutting, this is what you're going to have. So let me show you guys how to make the bias proper. Okay, I'm going to take the tip of this fabric and I'll put it in the bias maker, and then I'll use my pressing iron to give it a nice press, and voila, we have a beautiful bias. Just make sure your iron is hot, like very hot, but it shouldn't be hot enough to burn your fabric. So look at our bias on our dress. It looks so neat and so beautiful. Alright guys, this is all about it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to share this video with your family and friends, and don't forget to leave your video suggestions in the comment section below. Until I come your way again, my name is Shubi. Have a fabulous time and stay blessed. Bye.